My name is Stephen Veitch. I work as a consultant in orthopaedic surgery in Salisbury, specialising in hips and knee surgery. Really, I always enjoyed science at school, and my teacher suggested that I would make a good doctor. I get on well with people, and I find it easy to talk to people, no matter what their background. And I felt I wanted to do something that was a bit more worthwhile, that I could give something back, and I could care for people. So that was the reasons for why I went into do medicine. In terms of surgery, I was very good at surgical specialties. I had good hands, and I got good feedback that I should carry on doing the surgical specialties, and that's where my enjoyment was. So hence why I went into orthopaedic surgery. I enjoy the variety that I have with my job. I enjoy the variety of spending some time in theatre. I enjoy the variety of clinics and on the wards. I enjoy the variety of patients that I see. I enjoy working with a team, particularly focusing on performing surgery well. I enjoy working with my colleagues, discussing complex cases, and I get on with people. So I like seeing patients. I like the rewards of discussing their problems and finding a solution for them. I think patients have confidence in me that I can deliver the surgery safely and well to a high level. They have confidence that they can contact me if they have any problems or anything they want to discuss. And I think they find that it's easier to talk to me because I tend to speak more in plainer English. I try and avoid medical jargons. And a lot of my patients are recommended from others, which is always very rewarding and makes patients feel, if you've been recommended, they already have confidence in you because someone else has had confidence in me.